I am very pleased today to be here on the special occasion of the signing of the MOU that we are going to witness today. We will also complement the MOU signed by JICA and IFRC in December last year for accelerating collaboration, especially in disaster management.
The Kenya Red Cross has been very effective in terms of relief operations, grassroots mobilization.
I'm quite happy that even in these three areas, which are also very remote areas, Isiolo, Bucha, Migori, and Taveta, these are areas where we know, especially in Taveta, it has been affected by flooding, and we hope this is the beginning of a longer term collaboration between WARMA, Kenya Red Cross, and JICA to find long-lasting solution to the perennial flooding problem that affects ordinary people and who devastate their lands and then are left more vulnerable.